We got a van life YouTube celebrity in town. Gen X van life, Mr. Mav. He's been on like 12 YouTube channels. I've seen him around. I've seen him on what's that, Chocolate Man in a Van, James. And I've seen his, you know, this orange van. Seen it recommended to me. Like, you'll see a YouTube video recommended to you, then you'll see this van. So it's a nice van. And you know me.
What up, people?
Oh, he actually wants to be in there. There you go, man. So, see, this is the van guy in me. You guys want the shot, the side by side. Look how big this van is. Hanging out, Mission Beach. He messages me on Instagram. Say, hey, I'm in town. I say, yeah, I'll stop by. I get minor holidays off now at my job, but he'll be at the meet. So there it is. Saying hi to a friend here. Love meeting you guys. Take a look at this real quick. See how 4x4 looks under. Bilstein 5100s, you think?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Bilstein 5100s.
Dana 60 front end.
Dana 60 front and back, right? It's always like that, right, with these vans?
Usually.
Yeah, nice.
And then 10.5 inch Ford in the back.
Yeah, it's not a U joint. It's not an AJ's. It's Concord, you said?
Concord tires.
Nice. Yeah, that's the thing with...
DIY.
Yeah, it's probably front out of a F350. Like it always is, right, for the most part. There you go. Who wants a 4-wheel drive van? That's what it looks like next to a lifted 2-wheel drive.